Our kids really love toy cars, and that's why this year we've decided to purchase them this alloy toy car advent calendar, and I'm going to show you in a second what's inside this advent calendar. You can also find a link underneath this video if you're interested in this advent calendar. So now let's unbox it and show you what's inside of here. Ooh. It's like a map. Oh, it's like a car map here. There they can drive on. That is nice. Let's put this aside. Number one, we have number two. We have this one. There is three here, three. Ooh, a helicopter. Where is four? Where is four? Here's four. Ooh. Can't find five. Where's five? Here. Cool. So you have this. That's cool. And 4 and 5. I'll just put this here. So number 6. We have a stop sign. Number 7. Ooh. This is cool. There you go. Feels also good. Solid. Number 8 is here. Oh, one of these. Number 9 is here. And a fire hydrant. Number 10. Construction car. Here is 11. Number 12. Okay. some trees. $14 is here. Oh, another helicopter. This one was at number 3. $15 is here. Yeah, one of these. Number 16. It's for the construction side signs. 17 is here. Another one of these. That's cool. That's cool. What's this? Then we have number 19 is here. Oh, it's a tiny one. Oh, look inside. It's these little cones, 2 of them. Then number 20. Ooh, a nice car. Then 21 is here. Check this one out. Cool. Then 22 is here. Some more signs. $23 is here. That's a big one. Ooh, that's a stand for something. I think it's a number 24. And that's final number 24. Yay! It's my daughter's favorite thing at the moment. Better be careful. A crane! Hee. Look at that. And that's the stand for the crane. Cool.
This is a really great advent calendar for kids. Really nice. I can definitely recommend it to you. Really good for them to play with and every day to discover something new. Great item.